Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide Special with 12,861 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with 12-inch handlebars, Reinhardt mufflers, docking hardware, passenger backrest, and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, keyless ignition, and TPMS. The CVO Street Glide takes things in a factory custom direction with its paint scheme and fender-to-fender attention to detail, giving it an artistic quality. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Street Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 837 pounds and has a 27.2 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.